Welcome to Telok Blangah Park View, a hidden gem nestled along Telok Blangah Street 31 in District 4. This prime location offers the best of both worlds, large green spaces for a serene escape and an unbeatable connectivity for urban convenience. If you are looking for a tranquil home with accessibilities and proximity to amenities, this might just be your dream home. Hi, I'm Evelyn from OrangeTee AEG, and today I'm excited to introduce you to a high-floor, beautifully renovated 3-room HDB flat at Block 93B, Telok Blangah Street 31. Let's step in. This is a 732 square feet unit with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, yard area, and a household shelter. This home is Japandi inspired, a harmonious blend of Japanese minimalization and Scandinavian functionality. The interiors are tastefully done, stylish yet practical, and meticulously maintained, making it move-in ready. I love the fact that this home offers great privacy. The distance to the next block is significant, and being on the high floor means you don't have neighbors looking into your house. In addition, this home offers view of sunrise, firework displays during special occasions, and even fly past on National Day, all from the comfort of your living room. You'll be enchanted by the panoramic and unobstructed greenery and sea views in the living room. Natural light streams in through the large windows, accompanied by a refreshing breeze that enhances the appeal of the home. The owners selected neutral palettes and light colors, giving the space a timeless sophistication. The cove lighting further enhances the cozy ambience. The living room strikes a perfect balance between comfort and functionality, with custom storage cabinetry that blends seamlessly into the space. The kitchen is stylish and sleek, a timeless masterpiece with top hung and bottom cabinetry that turn countertop for durability and style, and come with both gas and induction stoves. The adjacent yard area is bright and well ventilated. There's also a clothes drying rack installed and invisible grills, ensuring safety for the young children. The dining area currently features a 4-seater table, setting the space for intimate gatherings and family meals. It can also accommodate an expandable table for 6-seaters. The open layout provides a seamless view of the living and kitchen spaces. The master bedroom is a cozy and spacious sanctuary, with large windows that flood the room with natural light, framing the stunning views. With its serene vibe and ambient, cozy lighting that radiates a soft glow, this room is a perfect retreat after a long day. The ensuite is a luxurious oasis in pristine condition, with a mirrored storage cabinet, bottom cabinetry, a generous sink, a separate glass shower screen. Its cozy ambient lighting enhances the appeal. The common bathroom is also an inviting haven. The common bedroom is spacious and features a single bed with storage, large wardrobe and storage cabinetry, and a work desk, ideal if you're working from home. The sliding door design maximizes the space and allows natural light to flow through the corridor, creating a bright and airy feel. This block is part of the newest cluster in the area, with a balanced lease of 90 years. This development has 4 drop-off porches, roof gardens perched on top of the multi-story car park, playgrounds, fitness corners, and senior care center and childcare centers nearby. It falls within the Greater Southern Waterfront and is set to be transformed into a major gateway and urban living destination along Singapore's southern coast. Development will take place starting from the former Pasir Panjang Power District, Keppel Club, and Mount Faber. The Keppel Club site will be redeveloped into a new residential precinct with 9,000 new homes. Future residents will enjoy convenient access to waterfront, nature, and nearby MRT stations. This flat is conveniently located just a 10-minute walk from Telok Blangah MRT, which is located along Circle Line. drivers will appreciate the quick access to major expressways such as AYE, CTE, and West Coast Highway. Nearby shopping and dining options include Telok Blangah Food Centre, Telok Blangah Mall, VivoCity, Alexandra Retail Centre, and Harbourfront Centre. For outdoor enthusiasts, recreational spots like Telok Blangah Hill Park, Labrador Park, Hot Park, Henderson Waves and Southern Ridges are just minutes away. Families with children will also have choices from 3 primary schools: Blangah Rise Primary School, Gan Eng Seng Primary School, and Radin Mas Primary School within a 2-kilometre radius. This meticulously maintained home combines elegance and practicality in an unbeatable location. With its thoughtful renovations, breathtaking views, and proximity to nature and amenities, it's an ideal choice for families and individuals alike. It's been my pleasure to showcase this beautiful home. I can't wait to invite you to experience this. Once again, I'm Evelyn from OrangeTee AG. Do contact me for more information or to schedule for an exclusive viewing. I look forward to meeting you.